In today's video, I'm going to share with y'all another idea that our grannies used to do that they grew up doing when they didn't have all this expensive stuff we have nowadays. They lived without it then, and we can now.
Hey y'all, I'm going to show you a little trick that you can do without spending a lot of money when your refrigerator starts having an odor to it. This right here is an old-timey hack that my granny used to do, and I'm going to share it with y'all. Okay y'all, the first thing you're going to be needing to do this is some aluminum foil, and we're using the heavy-duty aluminum foil because we're going to be punching some holes in it. And the next thing you'll be needing is some Arm & Hammer baking soda. This is what helps with the odor also. And the next thing we're going to be putting in this is coffee grounds. We'll be using around this size scoop. That's probably 4 tablespoons. Make sure it's good and flat so you can have it even to fold it up and put it right in the center. You're going to put your 1 scoop of coffee in there, and then we're going to add our baking soda. And now to that 1 scoop of coffee, we're going to add 1 tablespoon of baking soda. And then we're going to take it and we're going to fold it up into a little square. This right here is great to put in refrigerators to help keep those odors out. When you smell something fishy in there and you don't know what it is, you just know you've got a weird smell and you can't get it out, make you one of these little packets and put in your refrigerator. Now once you have that done, you will take something very sharp and you'll just punch you some air vents in it. Try not to make it too big so your coffee grains and your baking soda don't fall out, but you want to make sure the air can get through. And do it to the top also. This right here is a great little thing to put in your refrigerator, and you could even put these in a car. And now just use a paper towel to be safe that you don't have any coffee grains falling out of it, and put it on your paper towel and place it in your refrigerator. Within a week, you won't have any smells in your refrigerator. Now just place it in your fridge, and you can use this up to around a month. And then you'll have to just change it out if you want to just keep it in your refrigerator all the time. This is how our older generations used to keep refrigerators smelling good. They didn't have all those cleaners. They had to do it with what they had. This is another trick to use what you've got to do what you need to do without spending a lot of money. Okay, y'all, that's just one little simple thing that you can do that'll help keep odors out of your refrigerator. This is an old-timey trick, and if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, like, and share. Thanks for watching.